Wednesday, the 17th of April, 2024. This is sort of crazy, but we're just going to give this a shot for the heck of it. Now, from what I've been told, this would be salt water, if there's anything out there. The guys up the road said they caught stingrays, sharks, and toadfish, whatever toadfish are. We're using a night crawler. I think this is a creek tributary of the East River. Looks like the tide is coming in. I can't quite tell. We have no intentions of keeping anything if we catch it. We're just trying to catch something for a fishing video. There's something over there. There's stuff here. I've seen some pretty good sized stuff wallowing around out there. I don't know what it was, but different times I've been here. And I'll be the first one to admit I don't know a thing about fishing along these areas, bait or anything else. I don't know what kind of bottom this is, whether it's got debris, muck, I don't know what it is. Sure is pretty here, though. Sunset, all these little leaves, these small leaves, look like a bunch of little lightning bugs lightning up on the ground, like a bunch of little lights. Let's pull it in and throw it in a different place. Is that something? I don't think so. Part of our night crawler is gone. I don't know if stuff here would be as ticklish about the hook showing as bass and brim are up in North Georgia or not. I wanted to get it further on up yonder. I think the wind's fighting against it though. Might be able to cast it from over here, but then you got all that stuff. We'll try the next time over there. Just another bait. If we don't catch something with this bait, we're done. And see, we're going to cast out through there. I will get hung up and lose the cork and hook and everything. Yeah, I'm going to cast with my right hand. I can't get straight over my head with my right hand. There, now that's a good place. Bobber's gone. No, it isn't there yet. Lost it in the ripples. Somebody's coming. This will just be another Zebco 33 reel review. It may just be the wind. Now this is going to be the trick, getting it back up here.